Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn in 2 easy steps on how to expand your Facebook Marketplace audience through joining local buy, sell, trade groups and how to easily set up your Facebook Marketplace account to get started now. For those who know me from my eBay Dropship course training and coaching days, my tutorial videos were designed so that you could easily follow each step as if I was over your shoulder. I highly recommend you watch the whole video to the end to discover your surprise bonus. Then replay back to the beginning so you can follow along while setting up your account to begin right away. So let's get started with step 1. Joining your local buy, sell, trade Facebook groups is key to expanding your market reach to an unlimited number of potential buyers. Before you learn the simple navigation to find and join local buy, sell, trade groups, it's important for you to know characteristics of buyers within these groups. They are: prefer to be treated like a neighbor, not a number; frequently browse product listings; ready to purchase a good deal; more impulse buyers rather than shopping around. The benefits as a seller are more credibility, being local, ability to message customer contacts, less product competition, giving way to more activity and sales from local groups compared to marketplace buyers. With that being said, let's dive into step 1, how to join or add more local buy, sell, trade Facebook groups. I like to keep things simple, so just open the Groups tab at the top of your Facebook homepage. Perform a search in the left-hand sidebar. Enter Local Buy, Sell, Trade Groups. Now we are taking a deeper dive to find local groups, focusing on the left sidebar filter. Under Groups, enter your city. And to extend your search, you can easily switch from private to public groups by toggling back and forth. Now, as you can see, we're ready to browse through these groups. There are many groups specialized in certain topics, so read the short descriptions before considering to join. Select these groups with high numbers of members and active posts. But wait, before you join, click on the group name and carefully read their rules to avoid being banned in the future. Generally, it will take some time for these group admins to approve your request for joining, so make this your mission to start now. From here, there's no worries about doing extra work, because while you're listing a product, Facebook provides a one-click to list in more places with a checkoff list of up to 20 of your approved buy, sell, trade local groups. Better yet, if you have more than 20, you can come back a little later and list up to 20 more. So, the more local groups you join, the more exposure your product listing will receive and higher sales. Could it be any simpler than this? So, get going to start building your local buy, sell, trade groups now. Step 2 is about setting up Facebook shipping requirements, your tax info, and payment structure as a one-time task that takes a few minutes to complete. If you already ship products on Facebook Marketplace, you can skip setting up their shipping requirements. If new and never use shipping as your delivery method, Facebook will guide you in setting up your account while you create your first product listing. It's fast and easy. And watch at the end for a surprise bonus you will just love. So, let's get going. In your Marketplace selling page, just begin creating your first product listing information, such as entering photos, title, price, description, and optional features. When completed, you'll see a Next button to select shipping as your delivery method. Then click on Setup of Shipping. At this point, Facebook will automatically take you to their shipping requirement page, asking you for your legal name, date of birth, address, bank, and tax information. This is for the purpose of depositing payments into your bank account, offering MetaPay and or PayPal options for customer checkout, and to satisfy chargeback requests from customers which they are limited to request within 2 days after the delivery date. So again, just start to list a product and let Facebook guide you to set up your account. The tax info required, like most marketplace sites, Facebook Marketplace initially requires the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, or if you have an individual tax ID number. This applies to products sold by individual sellers using shipping and checkout. So if you haven't submitted required verifiable documentation, don't hesitate to submit now. Once your sales reach $499, you'll need to submit all 9 numbers before you're able to list more. No worries, you can expect Facebook to prompt you in your dashboard and listings. If at that time you don't provide the full 9 digits, payouts to your bank account will be on hold, even if you already shipped items, until your tax info is verified. So please do it now. Now, let's dive into my favorite subject, on how you get paid. Facebook's payment structure requires 3 days to mark as shipped and a tracking number from the sold date. This means after a product is sold, you have 3 days to mark as shipped, including the tracking number. If later, the order is automatically canceled, regardless of any agreement made between you and the buyer. Therefore, it is vitally important to select products from the retail suppliers offering well-known, reliable, fast, and free shipping, like those posted in our Facebook Mastermind group. At this point, Facebook will automatically initiate payouts 5 days after tracking number confirms the product was delivered. Then, depending on your bank, it can take another 3 to 5 days to transfer payment into your bank. I recommend counting a total of 17 days from the date of sales for payment to land in my bank account. So in essence, you only need to pay strong attention to your sales and the orders placed with your retail dropship suppliers. Facebook automatically does all the rest, giving way for you to have more freedom in your lifestyle. Now for your surprise bonus, if you want to go big, having the best of both worlds, earning more and still save time in listing winning products from hundreds of dropship suppliers, I highly recommend using the tried and true AutoDS dropship software service. First, AutoDS will scan trending products from eBay and show you the products that have been selling recently, saving you hours in searching for best-selling product ideas. Then, with one click, you can list products in less than a minute or import hundreds of products in a single click. For your peace of mind, your product listings will be instantly monitored for any changes to pricing or availability. Never waste time anymore manually checking for updates again. Best yet, their software accepts orders from your customers and notifies your supplier, and automatically provide tracking information as soon as it becomes available from your supplier. No need for you to be at the computer to process orders. You have everything you need all in one dashboard. If you never drop shipped before, they also offer a free drop shipping course. Right now, you can try AutoDS for only $1 for 14 days. Just follow the link below to go to AutoDS's website, scroll down the page to sign up for the 14-day trial offer, to use their Facebook Marketplace automated service. What have you got to lose? Remember, selling on Facebook Marketplace, your profits are higher compared to Amazon and eBay. Add local buy-sell trade groups to your lists. Your audience is even larger than just Marketplace. That is huge. Let's face it, our time is valuable. You can sit behind a computer for hours finding and listing products that are selling recently or just enjoying life. With today's technology, you are the only one who can determine how much you can earn every month. Start out listing just one dropship product and follow the steps to setting up your Facebook Marketplace selling account while adding local buy-sell trade groups. It's worth your time to take a few minutes to be on your way to generating a solid income and have a life too. That's it for this Step 2 tutorial video series. If you should have any questions or problems with setting up your Marketplace account using shipping and buy now checkout, don't hesitate to ask. Please share in comments below, or better yet, join our Facebook Mastermind group for all the support you might need now or in the future. You never know how valuable your questions will help other people. Look for the link below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to receive notifications of more exciting money-earning businesses with no fluff and a lot to learn, one step at a time.